You are embarking on a little known about tape. It's an exercise tape that Emily and Abby recorded when they got bored at one of our family events. Take a look. They're true dorks.
Welcome to Emily and Abby's workout video.
Okay, ladies, let's get started. Okay, we're gonna warm up now, okay? So here we go. We're gonna do 20 jumping jacks. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 20.
Look at those boobs.
20. Okay, great. Now we're gonna do a little bit of stretches, okay? Windmill. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, to the right. Chicken wing. 4. Okay, ladies. Now we're gonna target our gluteus maximus. Okay. Now lay on the floor with your palms down and your feet flat. And then you're gonna raise your butt and really squeeze those cheeks together. And you gotta feel it deeper, okay? And let it go down. And hold it there for a good 10 seconds. And then back down. And 1, 10. Now it's time to pull up the tools. The medicine ball. Is this a medicine?
I don't know.
Okay, great. We're going to do essentially the same exercise as we just saw, except it'll be better.
Better.
Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. And clench. 2, 3, 4, 5. Clench. 7, 8. Clench.
Good clench.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a little known fact that Beyonce Knowles uses this because you don't want no nasty jiggling. What does she sing, Abby? And
Cause
songs.
on your wait, what?
Okay. Okay, great. You want to be as bootylicious as Beyonce, don't you?
Did you get
I see you got my tickets to my gun show.
you told her? Yes, that is part of the workout, ladies.
Did you get my the show?
To what show, Abby?
My gun show.
Yep.